everyone. I'm here with a quick Valentine's Day project. It involves kisses and hugs. Okay, so first I started with Cricut Design Space and I cut out my cut file. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. If you lay your vinyl down and you peel back your mat this way, it really helps your paper not curl as much. Okay, so I'm gonna cut around my words, make sure I don't cut what I just printed, and get rid of that. What I like to do is put my piece of vinyl on my mat so that when I peel it off, I'm not trying to hold down my piece of vinyl and worry about all the stickiness. So just go through, weed it, nice and easy. Oh, I'm losing my W here. I'm just gonna use my tool. And hold that down. Oh, lost an S. Then you just lay it back down. Got your dot. I'm always losing my dots or my apostrophes there. So, got rid of that. And now I'm going to go in and grab all the insides of the letters. So, for this project, I am using Oracle 651 permanent vinyl. It's my favorite for doing these. Okay, perfect. Now we got all the insides off. I'm gonna get them off my finger here. Okay. Kisses for when I'm not around. Do you guys know what we're doing? Okay, so I did kisses for when I'm not around, and then I also have a bigger jar for hugs and kisses because I love Hershey hugs. I don't know what makes them better in my eyes, but okay. So to prep our jar, which these are just little glass jars I got at the dollar store, you're going to take your alcohol and rub the outside of the jar or whatever you're applying your vinyl to. You just want to get all the oils off your jar, your cup, your mug, whatever you're using. I'm going to set that aside and let it dry because I had already done it to my bigger jar. So I have this jar, same one from the dollar store. I already wiped it down with my alcohol swab. And then I sat it down in between two squeegees. So these jars have little creases in them, so that's what I'm just gonna put to the side there. And then I'm using those to hold the jar steady. Okay, so I'm going to take our hugs and kisses for when I'm not around, because this one's gonna be filled with hugs and kisses. And I'm taking my transfer tape and just laying it down onto our vinyl. I'm gonna use a squeegee. Sorry if you're a little shaky. You're attached to my table here. So you're gonna burnish both sides. Yeah, you're definitely gonna shake a little bit. And then you're gonna go ahead and peel back the vinyl. And if it didn't stick, you just go back and push it down. So you're just peeling this back, making sure your vinyl's sticking to your transfer tape. And if it doesn't, you just go back with your squeegee or your whatever and get that done. Okay, so now our vinyl is stuck to our transfer tape and it's ready to apply. So the trick for applying to a curved surface is to cut a few little lines in your transfer tape. So I usually just go in between the rows of letters without cutting your letters. So just cut in between there. And then I'll go and I'll cut just in between a few of the grooves here. I'm just going about halfway through the word there. Go here and here between the R. I'll do the T. Okay. So, got that done. Now we're going to place it on our jar. So what you want to do is start in the middle. It's going to be hard for me to get on straight because my camera's in the way. I'm just going to lean over here. So I'm going to start in the middle. And what I do is I just gently start pushing it down. See how that part goes down, lets go of this, so then it's easier to do that letter. Then you're able to go and do this one, and go down and do that, and then you're just going to do the same for this side here. Nice and slow, no rush here. And then what I do is I give it a good rub down. You really want to stick your vinyl to the project. You're just going and giving it a good press down there. Good old burnish. And then you're just going to go and peel back your transfer tape. And nice and slow. Again, you don't need to rush. Nice and easy. Making sure your vinyl is sticking to your jar or your cup or whatever project you're doing here. Nice and slow. I'm just doing it on an angle, trying to at least. So that's done. I just go over it, see if there's any spots that need to be pushed down a little bit more. That's cute. Awesome. So let's do the little jar. Again, put your, whatever you're gonna hold your jar with, just to get that there. Just push this out of the way for a second so you guys can see. Then I'm gonna do the exact same thing with this one. Get your piece of transfer tape. Pick it apart. And then lay it over your weeded vinyl. Oh, I got a little piece there. I don't want that. Just go in, grab that guy out of the way. If you've worked with vinyl, you're always finding the little pieces all over the place. Stuck to your clothes, your socks, anything. They're all over the craft room. So again, just go ahead and peel that back on an angle. Make sure all your stuff sticks down. If it's not sticking down, just push it back down. Give it a good burnish. Okay. So when I was putting that on the first go, I realized I really didn't need the slits in the tops and the bottom because it's not curved this way. It's only curving this way. So if you're doing like a wine glass or a mug that has that other curve this way as well, that's when you want to do the slits in the top and the bottom. So for this one, I'm just going to do the slits to separate my layers. So I got a slit here, 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 and here. So I'm just separating my layers of my sentence. Sorry guys, I just got distracted by little fuzzies. Okay, so we're gonna put this one on. Again, just nice and slow. Start in the center. Work your way down the sides. So this is a nice, quick, easy project you can do for someone special. So just go ahead and burnish it all down. Peel it back. Nice and slow. Make sure your vinyl is sticking. Just double check, make sure you got your letters down. Now the fun part, okay? I'm gonna take this one and I got some lava cake kisses. Pop those in there. How cute is that? So that's why I picked the pink vinyl for this one, because of the pink in the kisses there. And then we got hugs and kisses. So we got our kisses and our hugs. Let's pour those in there. Mix them around so the colors are, because the hugs has little stripes on them. There we go. So hugs and kisses when I'm not around, and kisses for when I'm not around. Cute. You could put like the person's name on top if you wanted to. I love it. Quick and easy. I'm going to do a blog post on this as well, so you can go and check that out. Thanks. Happy crafting, guys.